Today, President Sadir Japarov presented certificates of advance to graduates of secondary schools who scored the highest points according to the results of the national testing. The head of state congratulated the school graduates on their successful graduation from school and receiving the certificate of advance. Sadir Japarov underlined the contribution of teachers and parents who provided invaluable assistance to their students and children in achieving today's results. As the president noted, a significant number of participants in the national testing will go to leading foreign universities, which demonstrates the significant potential of domestic education system. Sadir Japarov expressed his satisfaction on the increase of the number of holders of the Certificate of Advance every year, including the graduates from the regions. He underlined the value of knowledge in the modern world in the age of high innovative technologies. Investment in education includes economic justice and poverty reduction, which are necessary for the development of a modern political system, the president said. Japarov underlined that the future of any country is in the hands of talented youth.